Master life. Don't let it master you. Master life the OnPassive way. Some people are successful in mastering life, while others permit life to master them. There is a split in you that is very clear. There is a part of you that knows what you should do, and a part of you that does what it feels like doing. Don't let passion drive you. Let reason hold the reins. Once you understand these opposing forces worrying you, within you, with this knowledge of truth, you no longer remain a slave. A clear understanding of this will make you master of your life. Resistance is your thoughts transformed into feelings. Change the thoughts that create the resistance, and then there is no more resistance. Are you controlled by your thoughts, or are you controlling your thoughts? If you do not conquer yourself, you will be conquered by self. If you are ruled by your mind, you are a king. If you are ruled by your body, a slave. Warmest regards, your fellow legacy leaver, Robert Tantullo. Please like, subscribe, and share these videos with the ones you love by clicking the like and subscribe buttons above. Thank you and have a blessed day.